can we replace an AC coil? We do it often. A lot of times on the coils, and there are two coils in the system. You have an evapor coil up in the attic and a condenser coil at the condensing unit around the compressor, basically. Once an evapor coil fails, springs a leak, repairing it usually causes too much damage and compromises the usable surface area of the coil where heat transfer happens, so you don't really want to do that. Once it has a leak, the best solution is to replace the coil. The system is a sealed system. There should never be refrigerant loss. That's another misconception. A lot of people think, oh, my system's struggling, maybe we just need to put a little more Freon in it. Well, you should never have to add refrigerant to a system because it's completely sealed and it doesn't consume refrigerant. It doesn't eat it up. So we replace coils, both evapor coils and condenser coils, when needed. Evapor coils are where the higher pressure is in the system. So I would say, I don't know, at least 8 out of 10 times, if not 9 out of 10 times, it's the evapor coil that fails first. But condenser coils can fail outside too, due to many reasons. Condensers can be installed in the path of a sprinkler system, or that can erode the surface of the coil and cause it to leak. Sometimes pets can be the culprit. Maybe the pet confuses the condenser for a fire hydrant for an extended period of time, and eventually, it erodes the surface of the coil and you have a leak, and that happens too. So another reason to inspect your system periodically to make sure that none of these things are happening and maybe catch it before it becomes a failure.